Homemade scrubs. Instead of buying a scrub on the shelf, you can opt for natural, preservative and chemical-free organic scrubs at home. Let's look at a few simple and efficient scrubs to remove blackheads and dead skin cells naturally. And let's look at a benefit of all those ingredients. First, let's talk about coconut and coffee. Coconut helps treat acne and gets rid of harmful bacteria on your skin. Ground coffee boosts collagen levels and reduces premature aging of cells, keeping you looking young longer, right? So if you want to look young longer, definitely try to include ground coffee. Now let's look at the scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of freshly ground coffee with grated coconut and scrub it gently onto your face. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash your face with cold water gently. Now you might feel more refreshing, you get rid of all the bacteria on your skin, and if you do this consistently, your skin might age slowly, right? So that's very important. Now let's talk about the ingredients in our second scrub, olive oil. Olive oil has a very strong antioxidant content which prevents premature aging. Olive oil, when applied on the skin, fights off cancer-causing cells. If you are exposed to sun and you come back, olive oil fights off your cancer-causing cells. Honey and lemon. Lemon juice reduces the oil on your skin. Lemon juice helps repair damaged skin. Manuka honey is very good for acne and speeds up skin healing. If you want to know more about Manuka honey and how wonder of a product that is, please watch the above video. That gives you a lot of information about how Manuka honey can benefit you. Sugar. Sugar exfoliates your dead skin cells and reveals a healthy looking, glowing underneath skin. Right? Now let's see the scrub. Now for the sugar scrub, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of sugar and a pinch of lemon juice. Now mix well and apply onto your face and wash well with cold water. And this gives you amazing benefits like we discussed before, right? Removing all your dead skin cells, revealing the fresh glowing skin beneath. Sugar gives you a very good exfoliation, and also olive oil is cancer fighting, right? It fights cancer cells on your skin, so that's very, very powerful. Now for the next scrub, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric brings out the natural glow in your skin. Turmeric prevents and lessens breakouts. Turmeric lightens your skin pigmentation, right? If you want to know more about turmeric and how it actually helps you, it's a must-watch video. I'm just including the link on the top, right? Go ahead and watch that video. Now the other ingredients are milk and gram flour. Milk clears off clogged pores and kills bacteria responsible for acne. Gram flour lightens your skin tan and improves your complexion. Now for the turmeric scrub, mix 2 teaspoons of gram flour and rice flour with half a teaspoon of turmeric and milk. Mix well and gently apply the scrub onto your face. Leave it for 30 minutes and scrub it off. You will feel the difference. You will feel so refreshing. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the content and hit subscribe for more.